Oh my god, that is so scary.
Did you get it?
Yeah, but
yes.
the wires came down.
Oh.
That's not good.
Yes and oh.
Yeah! We must have lost some power, or was that theirs?
No, it's all theirs. Stay away from those wires. Don't touch those wires.
Should we invite Autumn to see this?
What?
Right there.
Wow. Yeah, you can call Autumn. Go ahead.
Exciting, huh?
Yeah.
Breaking news happened!
Breaking news.
Breaking
That's
news. It is the crowd there in the news. Let's invite Autumn over. Come on, Papa, come on.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's the house backyard.
Wait, which house?
I think the cables went to the house in the back,
Oh.
as well as to the house there. That doesn't look safe. That thing.
Think that's swinging back and forth?
The wires. Yeah. That's
So you got the whole thing?
Yeah. Like as much as I could.
Go call Autumn, Papa. No, I don't know what number. No, tell him that it's breaking news.
I really just want to go over there and film the roots.
Okay, come here.
Okay. I'm calling Autumn.
Okay. Do you want to come over there with me and film it? Okay, no, we should.
Hello, is this Suzanne
Not
or
yet.
anybody? Yeah, Ruth. Come, it's Richard.
No, I couldn't.
Come over to my street right now, but don't drive a car.
Just walk, like, seriously right now.
Come over to my street right now. It's Autumn.
I can't.
Can you go and get the roof?
I don't know if I should. That's the thing.
Just go. If
No,
you
'cause
want
I
them,
can do
go.
the wire.